Well, today Brady and I did a little bit of work on our garage door, which I saved some money. See these two nice shiny rollers up there? We replaced them, and I have no idea what I'm doing with the garage door, but let's watch. Hit it, boy. Look, it works. I have no idea what I'm doing, but I fixed it, and look how well they work. Come on, buddy, raise it. And see, look how nice. I mean, how many times can you get an almost 12-year-old to actually help? Not much. Come here, Brady. Come here, Brady. Come here, yes. Get over here.
Why?
Okay, tell him what you did.
Fix this.
Put the bat down.
Okay. Fix the garage. There you go. Okay. Oh man. I didn't do anything. You did it all, really. I just stood there handing you stuff. That's
You were
okay.
supervisor.
Yeah.
You know how important a supervisor is?
You said you needed a ladder. You never used it. You just made me...
did. What do we use the ladder for?
Nothing.
Yes, we did.
You made me get stuff. Then we didn't even use it.
We did use stuff.
No. Yeah, some...
Hey. Do you know how much money we saved doing this ourselves?
100.
Hundreds. Anyway, thanks, Brady.
You're welcome.